You just thank the Lord. Prettier than all the world, and I'm so proud, I'm so proud, I'm so proud of you. You're only one fella's girl, and I'm so proud, so proud, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of being loved by you. And it would hurt to know if you ever were untrue. Sweeter than the taste of a cherry, so sweet. And I'm so proud, girl. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you. Compliments to you from all the people we meet. Yes, and I'm so proud. I'm so proud. Believe me, I love you too. I'm so proud of being loved. I'm so proud of being loved by you, and it would hurt to know if you ever were untrue. Sweeter than the taste of a cherry, so sweet. Yeah, and I'm so proud. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of being loved by you.
Music 99 FM has just presented Flashing Lights. Join us tomorrow from 12 to 1 p.m. when we feature the musical greatness of another artist.
Flashing lights, 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 lights.
Bashko time.
All the things that you need. Bashko. Prices all low, you will never get it on. And Bashko. And Bashko.
Shopping.
Appliances, houseware, furniture, and rugs. Gifts and linens and gas and everything. And Bashko.
Where you shopping?
And Bashko.
Tell them.
Whether they not or so, they got the east and the west. Know them all over, they must be the best. And Bashko.
Where you shopping?
And Bashko. And Bashko.
The store that gives you more. The time by Bashko is
1 o'clock. Musings from Ralph Marston. Courage knows there's no guarantee of success and proceeds anyway. Courage knows there'll be inconvenience, pain, risk, and disappointment. And yet, courage also knows the glory of the summit is worth the difficulty of the climb. The gain of each advance is worth the strain of making the effort. Now for today's weather brief. There's a high-pressure ridge across Jamaica. The high-pressure ridge is expected to remain across the island through to the weekend. This afternoon, isolated showers mainly across northeastern parishes, partly cloudy elsewhere. Tonight becoming fair. The information for today's weather brief was supplied by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica.
positive music in the city of the Smooth 99.
Live if you wanna live, Rastaman vibration, yeah, positive.
It's not the natty trade, so it must be gone. Who could begin? Who could begin? It's not the natty trade, so it must be gone. Somebody play the wonder, and cause the world to follow. Someone is speaking their songs in a compulsory flow. Who could begin? It's not the natty trade, so it must be born. Who could begin? I said, who could begin? Why you play? No, we catch you off guard. Let's look for nothing to suffer now. We pray for a shuffle. Let's look for nothing to suffer now. You could tell me now, speak that truth and speak it. Tell me now, cause this is what it will.
Numbers are 1, 2, here I'm to you. Yeah, I the wrong you did was still the wrong thing to do. 3, 4, now listen to the door. Get up off fire with one, don't do it no more.
One way in, one way out. I saw my shout. One way in, one way out. I saw my shout.
No 5, 6, you're full of too much tricks, and everything you talk about of it, even politics. 7, 8, second this straight. You play the game like you have a lot of faith. 9, 10, be a 1, you again. So if you can't run out, take out your pencil and your pen. Say some of them are combo, I want like we a friend. Say pity them, no, we not have nothing to do with them.